Oh shit. Here we go again.
Hey people, Kiara here from My Digi Affiliate, and today we're going to be promoting a $25 all-in-one digital business using simple TikToks. That's the way we're going to do it this time. And we're going to build up a TikTok channel, and I'm going to show you the results every single day and see if we can start getting sales from it. And that's the way we're going to do this time. See, I don't know if it's gonna work. I'm not entirely sure. I think it will because it's TikTok. I think TikTok's the way to go when it comes to making new pages or whatever. And you know, not Instagram, TikTok. You can still do it on Instagram, but I think TikTok grows much faster in comparison. And these are simple TikToks. First off, let's see how our TikTok channel is doing. So we're gonna go to our TikTok here. We're gonna hit refresh and see what the numbers are. Okay, we got 41 followers and 257 likes. I'm gonna be honest, it's doing better than I thought it would be doing, to be honest. But it still ain't like fast or anything. It's just, it's growing. And I was thinking, see, you gotta understand, my first video only got 6 views. I got kind of worried, you know. So I was thinking this probably ain't gonna work, but it's doing okay. It could be doing better, but it's doing okay. Most of the video getting around 500 views, which is pretty cool. So anyway, man, let's go over here and we start working on our TikTok here. So the first thing we want to do, we're going to go to Pinterest. And what we're going to do on Pinterest, we're going to look for motivational quotes or something like that. Anything similar. Okay, doubting yourself is normal. Letting it stop you is a choice. Okay, I like that. I like that. I'm gonna go with that one. Okay, doubting yourself. So we gotta pick colors. Let's see what color we're gonna go with. Let me see. What do I want to do? Let's do yellow. Make that yellow, and we make this yellow. I'm just showing you guys how simple it is to make one of these TikToks. And we're kind of going with the same theme here a little bit. Got the little record button up here and everything. Something like that. Help it out a little bit. Okay. So it's already pretty much done. To be honest, we gotta delete the track and we're gonna pick a different track. First, we gotta pick a different video. So let's go over here. We're gonna go to Pexels for the video here, and we're gonna look for a video we can use. I kind of like this one. I'm gonna go with, yeah, we'll go with that one. It's kind of pretty nice, so we're gonna just use that one. Put it in like that. Place background. Okay, yeah, that's pretty good. So now we just need, all we need now is a, you know what? Let's make this a little bit more transparent. Feel like it's a little strong. I mean, just a little bit lighter. That's all. That's all. I just wanted to make it a little bit lighter. Alright, yeah, that works. Okay, so like I stated before, what I want to do is get a song here. I can use one of the songs I already got, but what we're gonna do, we're gonna go to Choicey and we're gonna pick a song here. We're gonna pick a let's go with cinematic. Okay, guys, I'm gonna lower the volume here. You shouldn't hear the songs. But just give me a minute to find a song here. I'm not gonna edit it out, but you know, I don't feel like it. To be honest, you guys gotta rock with me while I look for a song here. I don't like that. I don't like that either. Okay. It won't take me that but a second to find a song real quick. Too long. It take too long to start popping. What about this? Okay. What about this? Oh. No. I don't know, guys. I'm looking for something, and it's. Let's go with motivational. Maybe that or energetic. That's a good one. Let's stick with motivational for right now. I'm trying to find a song that I haven't used yet. I get a lot of the songs I like I already don't use. You can always use one of those songs too, but I like trying to change it up. So that's the reason why I'm looking for another song. Like this. Trying to decide. Let's hit epic. Find something. What about this? Let's go with that. I'm gonna use this song here. Alright guys, it didn't take me that long, did it? Sorry about that. Letting y'all go through that journey there with me. So anyway, we found the song. Gonna put it in. There, we're gonna put that, and we're gonna mute the song to about 6, so we can hear it. So it's not too terribly loud on TikTok. Let's see how it looks. Alright, that looks pretty good. Okay, so we're gonna just go with that. Download the song there. Down yourself and normally letting it stop you is a choice. So we're gonna go to here. Just wanna get that right there. Gonna go to upload. Now what time should I post? Today is Monday. I already got a 6 a.m. one. So I gotta do it at 10. We're gonna do it at 10 a.m. It's the perfect time, it says anyway. So we just posting based on what that list says. Keep going. Oh, my bad, I ain't know that. Choose. Keep it up. Choose to keep it up. Alright, so that's done. Alright, so we're gonna schedule a video. Today, 10 o'clock. Boom. Pretty much done. All we need is the video now. So we just wait for the video to download, guys. Then we're pretty much done, to be honest. So that's all we really need to do now. Alright, that's the video. Okay. And there we go, guys. It is done. That's all it took. It's uploaded. It'll pop up at 10 o'clock this morning. And we'll be done with that, guys. You see how fast that is and how easy that was to do? It only took me about 10 minutes to do. And you can pump these out easy. I usually do. I just post one on every time frame that it shows that it's the best time to post. That's all I'm doing. And you guys can do the exact same thing. All you gotta do, make sure to hit the link in the description, you know, and sign up with me, guys, and just do the same thing. Maybe you could, well, let's see if it works. We're gonna keep trying this. I want to see if it works. So anyway, guys, make sure to like, comment, subscribe, hit that notification bell. And I'll see you guys next time. Peace.